everyone, Lizzie here with the latest from Gazelle.ai. One of the most crucial site selection factors is workforce availability. Does your location have the capacity needed for the company you are prospecting? To help answer this question, we've added occupational profiles to all 900 industry profiles within the Gazelle platform. You can see them here at the top right. These occupational profiles highlight the most prominent occupations in terms of the share of each occupation within that industry. We also have the average annual salary, as well as the projected job growth in that occupation within that industry to the year 2026. Based on the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics occupational projections, these numbers give you quick insight into the key occupations that are necessary to run a typical company in that industry and whether demand for that occupation is expected to increase or decrease in the next 8 to 10 years. Of course, some regions and individual companies, depending on their own unique product, can deviate from these staffing patterns, but it's still a great place to start. This information will help you assess these 3 things. First, are you able to provide the labor for what are most likely going to be the largest occupational groups that a company you want to talk to will need? Second, if some of the occupations that your workforce has a weakness in are expected to grow, this could be a flag to invest in education and training programs to ensure your workforce is skilled and able to keep up with increased staffing demands. Finally, these profiles can help to see whether the target industry has an orientation towards more lower wage or higher wage occupations that might impact your selection strategy. Of course, demographics, technology, etc. can drive differences between industries and occupations. So it's very possible that the same occupation in one industry will have a good outlook and a poor outlook in another. As always, if you have any questions about these tutorials, please feel free to reach me at Lizzie@Gazelle.ai. You can also message me in the in-app chat. Until next time, happy gazelling!